Okay, so today's question is, what is my destiny, or what is your destiny? Okay, so these are the cards that I pulled out. Now, the way I pull out these cards, I don't follow any particular spread. I just follow my um, feelings. Okay, so once I get the answer, then I stop. Okay, so basically, the first card that's pulled out is the Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups is basically you. So, from this card, it shows that you're the Queen of Cups, meaning that you have this love for life. You have this love for life. And you're, so basically, this first card, it describes who you are. You're a person who is wise and through experience, okay? And you're a strong person. Wise, you can tell by the kind of like white hair and the wrinkles, okay? But she's happy. She is truly happy. This is not make up, happiness, but it is true inner happiness, and it shows on her demeanor, it shows on her face. So here she's holding a bowl of the stars, okay? So basically, uh, she is, she loves life, she loves the universe. Her love for life is deep, and it is all encompassing. From what I gather here is that she doesn't discriminate. All life is the same, it's just life, okay, as can be seen by the stars. So she really loves life. Not to say that she loves living, but rather um, she appreciates that she is alive, and that she appreciates that she is able to experience this life. And what I get from this card is that she wants to give back this love to the world. So, what is your destiny? So, then the card that I pulled out, the second card, is this Seven of Swords. So, Seven of Swords, then, this was a bit difficult to interpret. So then after that, I drew out two more cards, which is the Ten of Cups and the Six of Wands. Then the card became a bit clearer. So for the Seven of Swords, what I'm getting at is that, so once again, the question is, what is your destiny? So this person's destiny here, or your destiny here, it is to uncover, uncover that which is not clear. Okay, so you are here to bring about some kind of knowledge which is not apparent. Okay, so this is where you go and uncover, kind of like, an investigator, investigator, where they go and collect information. But here, you're not a private investigator. Here, I'm talking about your life destiny. So going forward is as if you are here to uncover, I suppose, mysteries of the world, or uncover the 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 real um, message underlying the circumstances in the world today. So basically, that is your mission. And as you can see here, yeah. So here the uniform makes it as if, she's on a mission here, a fact-finding mission, that kind of thing. Okay, now this card is flanked by the Ten of Cups and the Six of Wands. So the Ten of Cups here, it means that there is this sense of wholeness, of um, truth, okay, uh, of love, okay, on the planet. Okay, Ten of Cups. And then here, the Six of Wands, it's as if you want to bring back that clarity. There is a lot of energy, and you want to bring that back, bring the clarity into the situation. Okay, so what I'm getting at here is that she is here, or you are here, to uncover the mystery, or to in such a way to use your wisdom power, to use your wisdom, to use your mental abilities to uncover, and to use your experience to uncover what is not so apparent in the world, to bring about truth into the world, to bring back truth and clarity into the world, and you do it with a lot of passion. Okay, you do it with a lot of passion. Okay, then after that I drew out another card, which is the Ten of Swords. So basically, here you are, you're flanked by your fact-finding mission in order to lay rest all doubts. Okay, so here you are, you're on a fact-finding mission, you're on a mission to uncover things, what is not apparent. And this could be like, for instance, you can have a friend talking to you and they're not clear about the situation, and this is where you're going to use your wisdom. Okay, you're going to use your wisdom, and you're going to use your mental ability, your sharp-mindedness, okay, to give clarity, okay, to whoever has asked this question. Okay, so then after that, this is where you're going to lay rest all doubts. Okay, so this is the Ten of Swords in this context here. And what I'm getting at is the Ten of Swords. I took out another card here, and it is basically to bring about justice. You want justice on earth. Okay, so here you have the card where this is justice, and where the sword is facing, is just, pointing at the eye. So what I'm getting at here is that the world as it is, the fact that it's pointing straight at you, at the eye, is basically justice is pointing straight at us. To me, what it means is that whatever that is in the world, okay, it is due to our actions or inactions. It is how we behave, it is how we act, it is how we talk, and this is reflected in the world. So the justice knife is pointing straight at us. We cannot blame anybody. It's just all due to ourselves. It's our responsibility, or whatever actions that we bring, there is the outcome, and this outcome can be traced to us. That means whatever that is in the world, it is due to our doing or non-doing, our actions, whatever. So if you want to have a peaceful life on earth, or you want to have a peaceful life, then you got to reflect on our actions, because this is what the Lord is saying. And to me, it's like, this is you, and basically this is the final card, and I just stopped at this. So basically the message is, whatever that is there in the world is pointing right at us. Okay, it's pointing right at us. Okay, so meaning that it is due to our thoughts, our actions, our inactions, and that is how the world is. Whatever that is outside, it is because of reflection of us. Okay, so once again, you are the Queen of Cups. You have a lot of wisdom, experience, you have a lot of life. And so here you can see the stars here. So she put the stars in a bowl. Okay, she put the stars in a bowl. She's wearing an orange shirt. Orange meaning that she has a passion for life. Okay, so when she went on her fact-finding mission, and basically that is to bring back true love on earth. You can see here, this is as if, she's trying to bring back the stars on earth. Okay, so here she's surrounded by the stars. She has her bowl of the stars, and when she goes on her fact-finding mission, the aim here is to sprinkle back those stars onto earth, and she does it with a lot of passion. Okay, which is signified by the fire here. And also, basically, the purpose of why she goes on this fact-finding mission is because she wants to bring clarity. She wants to bring back clarity. Okay, so this is the sun, meaning clarity, and the wands are all facing the sun. So the passion is there to bring about clarity on earth. And the other thing is regarding this Seven of Swords. So you have different kinds of knives. So basically, it depends on the situation. Okay, so certain situations you need more understanding and compassion. Certain circumstances or situations you need a sharp mind. Certain circumstances or certain events you need sharp wit. That kind of thing, and it's reflected by the different types of knives here. Okay, so she's on a fact-finding mission. So basically, she is going to use her wisdom, her experience, in order to find out what is the true meaning of that particular event that's happening on Earth, um, to get a sense of what is happening, so that she can bring about balanced Earth, okay, with clarity, so that she can lay to rest all doubts and all questions. And once again, at the end of the day, how we're going to go about this is that justice is going to look at you straight in the eye, saying that whatever that is in the world, okay, it is due to our own actions, our own inner self. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.